ಹೇಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ? Good evening. Am I audible, right? Am I audible? Guys, let me know through the chat box. Actually, uh, do say like that whether my voice is properly audible or it is below the average. Actually, if you're from few school, I got complaint that my voice is not up to the means. Okay, they are saying. Uh, that's why I'm asking you guys. Is it properly audible, right, for everyone? Hello, Janvi Adgiri. Do give a response. Actually, it's very important notice. Guys, we'll start our session within 2 minutes. And before that, if you already listen my words, what I actually delivered you, right? Please do give a response for that words. Okay, I'm an audible, right, properly for everyone with a minimum sound. Do give a response in a chat box. I will start the session within 2 minutes. Cool. Yes. Are you there? Okay, no problem. Once again, welcome to all of you guys. And this is the second class of the dual nature of matter, which we are going to solve the numericals here. Yes, thank you. Thank you for your response. Okay, cool. Okay, we start out second session of the J numericals. Okay, I think yesterday we solved around 7 questions. No, today also we would solve around good 7 questions, which are asked in a previous year JE only. Okay, let us take a quick, simple question first. Okay, try to answer this question. This is the simplest question. Try to answer this one. First, I will explain the question what it is actually. The stopping potential in the context of the photoelectric effect depends on the following property of the incident electromagnetic radiation. Okay, based on the electromagnetic radiation, you need to give the answer. Okay, based means here photoelectric effect hota na, it will, the photoelectric effect will be takes place. That photoelectric effect will be takes place based on which property here. That is also majorly here stopping potential depending on. टाइम चाहिए क्या? नहीं, टाइम तो नहीं है. Yes, right answer. Correct now? Yes, because देखो इधर stopping potential means you know, right? मान लो a photo sensitive plate है, a photosensitive plate. Here I kept a anode. This is anode. This is cathode. When an electromagnetic radiation, which is nothing but light, correct? Now light is an electromagnetic radiation. It is nothing but light. Correct now? Uska frequency is nothing but E is equal to h nu. Frequency is nothing but energy. Correct now? This frequency is incident on here means it has one particular wavelength also. electrons will be start to move towards this side. Correct now, photocurrent will be developed. Here, pause. Stopping potential means we need to connect these two plates with a battery. Correct now, if you connect the anode with the positive terminal means it will increase the positive potential. Correct now, means current value increases, but we need here, we need to make stopping potential. Stopping potential means we need to connect the battery in reverse order, means negative potential we need to connect with the anode and positive with the cathode. Now due to this connection, this anode becomes negatively charged body. Now it start to oppose the electron. Correct now, it start to oppose the electron. मान लो इलेक्ट्रॉन के पास 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट काइनेटिक एनर्जी है, 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट काइनेटिक एनर्जी है. ओके, नाउ दे आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड. ज्यादा कहानी में तो नहीं होता ना. ओके, दे आर मूविंग दिस साइड. राइट नाउ इफ आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज द फ्रीक्वेंसी, फ्रीक्वेंसी मींस मान लो येलो कलर का लाइट था. ओके, लाइट का पास 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन होता. इफ आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज दिस वन विद अ वायलेट कलर, okay, the violet color we assume that it's an 15 electron volt. Correct now, 15 electron volt. At this moment if photo electron मान लो 2 electron volt the work function. Previously for 2 electron volt, 4 electron volt as a kinetic energy, means incidenting electron volt it will be 6 electron volt. Sorry. Okay, now it is negative potential, it should be opposes the electron. Correct now, it should opposes the electron, means negative potential को increase करना है. Actually negative potential increase करना है means here kinetic energy also increases here for the particle due to this change in frequency. Correct now, means frequency changes means kinetic energy of the particle also changes. Correct now, that's why here the stopping potential mainly depending upon the frequency. Right answer. Okay, okay, no problem. We'll move to the next question. Yes, the next question is that in a photoelectric effect, on increasing the intensity of light, we are going to increase. Listen, first case is both the number of electrons emitted and kinetic energy of them get increases. Means here they're saying in photoelectric effect, on increasing intensity, both the number of electrons emitted per second and as well kinetic energy both are increasing, they are saying. First point. Second point में क्या दिया है, but photoelectric current remains unchanged. Intensity increase करने से photoelectric current remains unchanged. Okay, this is the question. Actually assertion region होना था, but they split the word in one question. Okay, that's why I explained here. Try to give the correct answer. I will give you exactly 1 minute of time. Okay, I think the timer has started. Yes, 1 minute of time. You need to imagine here what is the assertion and what is the reason. Okay, single question, it's a complete one sentence है ना, इधर भी assertion भी है, reason भी है, both are present. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, time भी आ. Okay, no worries. किधर हो गया? हाँ इधर, yes, देखो, first thing, photoelectric effect is a phenomena, right? Here intensity increases means intensity, an increasing intensity, इंटेंसिटी इंक्रीज करने से फोटो करंट इंक्रीज होता है, राइट? फोटो करंट इंक्रीज होता है, इट मींस दैट मोर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी emitted, correct? First thing what they said, it is correct. More number of means number of electron emitted is increases, right? I will agree with this. But they said in the same sentence, kinetic energy also increases. By increasing intensity, intensity increase करने से, second point, kinetic energy will not increase. Correct ना? Will not increase. Because intensity increase करने के लिए what we did actually, yellow bulb लिए थे हम. Correct ना? Yellow bulb, it has a fixed wavelength, fixed frequency. We can change the intensity by changing the position. इधर था बल्ब, इधर लेकर आने से क्या हो गया, इंटेंसिटी इंक्रीज हो गया, बट इट हैज द सेम wavelength and as well as same frequency. Correct? Hence the kinetic energy will not change. Kinetic energy of the emitted electron will not change. Kinetic energy कब change होता है? When the frequency of light changes. No, when frequency of light changes or wavelength of the light changes, that time only the kinetic energy will be changes, right? Hence the assertion what they said here, that is a wrong thing. First thing is wrong, first point wrong. Second point आता है, second point what they said, photo current remains unchanged. देखो, इंक्रीजिंग इंटेंसिटी बोल दिया है, इंटेंसिटी इंक्रीज करने से, देखो इधर एक मेटल प्लेट है, ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, इधर लाइट था पहले, if I'm going to bring this light very near to that metal plate here, intensity ज्यादा हो गया. Due to intensity increases means number of photoelectrons will be increases. Correct? Now, if number of photoelectron increases means photo current should be increased. Correct? Hence, this second sentence also wrong. Correct? Now, hence the correct option of time to be option D. Both assertion and reason are incorrect. It is correct? Is it understood? होता है, जो बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटा छोटा मिस्टेक्स होता है, कोई बात नहीं, राइट? ओके, देन इट्स फाइन. विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इधर है, if the kinetic energy of the particle is doubled, kinetic energy doubled हो गया for a particle, the de Broglie wavelength becomes, what will be the de Broglie wavelength change? Change in de Broglie wavelength कितना होता है बताना है. Okay, I will give you exactly 1-2 minutes of time. Okay, utilize this 2 minutes and let me know what will be the correct answer for this question. Okay, here just you need to do that, you need to write the relation between a kinetic energy of the particle with respect to the de Broglie wavelength equation. Just compare कर लो. कैसे compare करना है इधर? Actually kinetic energy of the particle increase हो गया 2 times. Correct ना? If it is increased by 2 times means what will be the de Broglie wavelength they are asking. That's it. Right कर लो. Oh my god, while explaining itself 1 minute खत्म हो रहा है. Yes, right? It's a great thing. 50 सेकंड में आंसर दिया है आप. करेक्ट ना? दिस इज एक्चुअली गाइस प्रीवियस जेई पेपर. देखो कितना आसान सा बनता है जेई क्वेश्चन इफ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट मींस. करेक्ट ना? ओके, इक्वेशन क्या था? डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ लैम्डा डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ इज इक्वल टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी का रिलेशन कैसे होता है? h डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट ऑफ 2m times the kinetic energy. Correct now? Okay, either we need to write the relation between lambda and as well as kinetic energy. That's it. In remaining thing तो same ही होता है. Particle means if you compare the two particle means same होता है. Okay, they didn't given any information about it. Hence we can say here the lambda value is inversely proportional to the under root of kinetic energy. Under root of kinetic energy. Correct ना? Here क्या हो रहा है? Kinetic energy value will be double हो रहा है. It is increasing by 2 times. Okay, hence lambda value will be 1 by under root of 2 times the kinetic energy. Okay, देखो इधर इन क्या हो रहा है इधर रिलेशन देखो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. Kinetic energy increases means lambda value will be decreases. Lambda value will be decreases. कितना टाइम्स डिक्रीज हो रहा है देखो इधर कंपेयर करने से kinetic energy को 1 by root 2 आ रहा है ना means here the value will be lambda by root 2 times means it is nothing but 1 by root 2 times decrease हो रहा है. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Such a great thing. Yes, this is the real question now. Question says that in a photoelectric experiment, ultraviolet light of wavelength 280 nanometer is used with a lithium cathode having a work function of 2.5 electron volt. Okay, photoelectric effect में एक photosensitive metal है. मान लो this is the photosensitive metal which is made by lithium cathode. ओके इसका वर्क फंक्शन दे दिया है 2.5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. इसके ऊपर लग रहा है ना वेवलेंथ दैट इज द एनर्जी ऑफ द लाइट. उसका वेवलेंथ दे दिया है 280 नैनोमीटर. करेक्ट. ये खत्म हो गया. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑनवर्ड्स इफ द वेवलेंथ ऑफ द इंसिडेंट लाइट इज स्विच्ड टू 400 nanometer. First, priorly it is lambda 1 value will be 280. Now I'm going to change the value of lambda 2 that is 400 nanometer. Find out the change in stopping potential. क्या find out करना है? Stopping potential को find out करना है. Hope it is got. I hope you got the question how to solve. Okay. Again, I will give you 2 minutes of time. Try to find out the answer. Okay, I will continue the class then. Okay, your time will be start now. Karo. You need to find out the change in stopping potential, not only the stopping potential. सेम मेटल है, मेटल भी नहीं चेंज हो रहा है. वर्क फंक्शन दोनों टाइम में सेम ही होता है. देयर इज नो चेंज. व्हाट इज दैट? Send answer. Cross check it. Cross check. It's not a correct answer. The time is there. थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया है देखो. स्लाइड डिफरेंस. Okay, कोई बात नहीं, we'll do this one. Okay, right. देखो इधर, सुनो, सुन रहा है ना? देखो इधर, स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल फाइंड आउट करना है. स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल किधर होता है? ये स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल. स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल फाइंड आउट, you want to find out means you know one equation, that is a relation between work function and lambda and then energy. Correct now? What is that? Einstein given, no, E is equal to work function plus kinetic energy. Correct? Correct now? Now, kinetic energy, it has a velocity. Correct? But we don't have a velocity. But they given stopping potential. Correct now? Stopping potential find out करने के लिए बोल दिया है. Means we need to write the kinetic energy in terms of stopping potential. That value will become E into V. Correct now? Remember? Then this equation will be altered as, I will write here, E is equal to, okay, 5 plus EV. Correct? Okay. Now, first thing देखो इधर, voltage चाहिए, stopping potential. Correct now? Take this 5 to left hand side. E minus 5 is equal to EV. करेक्ट ना? एनर्जी नहीं दे दिया, इसको एक्सप्लोर करो और एक बार. मींस इट इज नथिंग बट एच न्यू, बट वर्क फंक्शन दे दिया है. करेक्ट ना? फर्स्ट टाइम का वर्क फंक्शन दे दिया है. विल फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल कितना होता है. विल कॉल दिस वन एज एन V1 माइनस इधर वर्क फंक्शन कितना है, 2.5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू EV1. करेक्ट ना? Right, what I'm saying? Right? Good. Next thing here, h into nu. इसका वैल्यू इसको, yes, इसका वैल्यू इसको पुट कर दो इधर. नेक्स्ट आई विल राइट फ्रॉम हियर. देखो, h मींस प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट, इधर से इधर तक आ रहा है. 6.64 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into nu. Frequency we don't know, but we can write this frequency in terms of lambda. That is C upon lambda का वैल्यू फर्स्ट टाइम कितना दे दिया था. We are find outing for first one. That's why 280 nanometer, 280 to nanometer 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Correct now? And then minus 2.5 electron volt is equal to E into V1. Correct now? Right? There is no problem. You can keep this one left hand side itself also, there is no problem. Then coming to the next point, इधर C का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. C का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करने से 6.64 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into C into C value means 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by here 280 into 10 to the power of minus 9. इधर minus of 2.5 electron volt. Correct now? But the thing is, the guys here, but this is electron volt. We need to subtract this whole quantity. This whole quantity to go subtract karna hai means with this quantity, you need to convert this one with electron volt. Correct now? That's why take electron to left hand side, then it will comes to numerator. Correct what I'm saying? Now, on multiplying this 6.64 into 3, you will get nearly 19.9 into 10 to the power of minus 34 plus 8. कितना होता है? 34 plus 8, 26. Correct now? Divided by either 280. If it is 10 to the power of minus 9 will become numerator means 10 to the power of plus 9 into E to left hand side से left hand side को ले लिया मैंने. Okay, if you want to take that one means here you will get E value 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. ऊपर भी और नीचे. If you want to calculate this values 2.5 electron volt, इधर तो V1. Okay, इसको calculate कर दो. ओके, इसको कैलकुलेट करने से ऑलमोस्ट आपको मिलता है, जस्ट हमें कैलकुलेट दिस, 280 को छोड़ दो। ओके, मीन्स रखो इधर, इधर लिख रहा हूं मैंने 19.5 डिवाइड बाय 1.6 something is zero. It is missing. No worries, everything is perfect only. Okay, after calculating this one, V1 you will get around 1.93 electron volt. Try to calculate this one. Okay, 1.93 electron volt मिलता है. This is the first step. V1 मिल गया हमको, stopping potential for a given thing. Now we need to find out the value of V2. Stopping potential find out करना है second time. Up to this point, it is understood now. Good. I will give you this page again. Okay, please bear with me here for the next page. Okay, next is that second same thing. Electron volt value will be equal to कौन सा है, h nu minus phi naught. करेक्ट ना? क्या हो गया? Everything is correct, right? हाँ. Phi naught value also already they given, right? The value of phi naught इधर है 2.5 electron volt, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Okay, now again, shit, क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? Yes. Okay, coming to the point, next thing. So this is the next one, V2. Okay, again guys, here one small suggestion to all of you. Here h into nu means c by lambda होता है. Correct now? Here if you're going to multiply these two means h into c, you will get around 20. You take around 20 into 20 10 to the power of minus 26 होता है. Yes, 34 minus yes 26 होता है. करेक्ट ना? डिवाइडेड बाय लैम्डा का वैल्यू वैसा रहता है. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. क्लियर है ना ये बात? And then if you're going to convert this one to electron volt, lambda इधर ही है, ये joule में है. If you want to convert this one to electron volt means 20 into 10 to the power of minus 26 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 करना है. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 either into lambda. Okay, after calculating this one guys, you will get lambda को इधर ही छोड़ दो. इसको कैलकुलेट करने से आपको मिलता है एग्जैक्टली, इट विल बी 1237 नियर बाय 1240. डोंट कैलकुलेट अगेन एचसी वैल्यू. ओके, एचसी वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना जरूरत नहीं है अगेन एंड अगेन. इट इज इन अ इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय लैम्डा कर दो. हियर कमिंग टू दिस पॉइंट, then v2 value will be equal to, here we can directly put the value 1240 divided by, here already it is calculated, divided by lambda करना है. lambda second time में कितना था? 400. करेक्ट ना? minus 5 value will be 2.5 electron volt. Calculate this one, you will get the value of v2. Stopping potential of second one will be coming to our 0.6 electron volt मिलता है. Is the second V stopping potential. But guys, when you will get this answer, no, you will be get excited and you think that the answer will be 4, like that you will be think. Okay, but this is not the answer. Why? Actually देखो इधर, they are asking find out the change in stopping potential value. Change in potential value means first time we got 1.93, second time what we got 0.6. ये दोनों को डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट? मींस v2 minus v1 करना है. दिस इज द आंसर यू विल गेट. फर्स्ट वन वी गॉट 1.93 minus, sorry, v1 minus v2. Okay, 1.93 minus 0.6. Okay, after calculating this one you will get around 1.33 electron volt. This is what the answer, right? Option means here, option me correct है ना? Do you guys already note down, right? Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Next question, here it is. The question says that the question says that a light beam of wavelength 500 nanometer. Okay, एक light है उसका wavelength 500 nanometer is incident on a metal having a work function 1.25 electron volt. Metal का work function 1.25 electron volt. Placed in a magnetic field intensity B, means here already means that metal is subjected under the magnetic field. Okay, then the electrons emitted perpendicular to the magnetic field. Of course, magnetic field को perpendicularly emit होता है. And if they are emitting means always you should remember that electron will be start to move in a circular path. Correct ना? Circular path में घूमने को start करता है, right? Perpendicular to the magnetic field B with maximum kinetic energy are bent circular arc with a radius 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter में क्या हो रहा है? Circular path कर रहा है. Then the value of B in 10 to the power of minus 7 Tesla. You need to find out the value of magnetic field. Okay, already I told you, right? HC value they given 20 into 10 to the power of minus 26 joule per meter. Then mass of electron is 9 into 10 to the power of इसको 10 to the power of minus 31 मान लो, like this. Printing mistake हो गया है थोड़ा. Okay, this is the question, guys. Okay, try to give the answer within 2 minutes. Your countdown will be start right now. Remember where the kinetic energy will be, sorry, magnetic field will become. Magnetic field से आपको radius भी mix करना है, means relation देना. 1 minute हो गया. .3. No, no. Cross check it. Okay. Okay. सुनो इधर. सुनो. इधर क्या कर रहा है actually? Metals, they given one metal. This metal is actually subjected under the magnetic field. Okay, if the electron will be eject from in this direction means due to the magnetic field, the electron is ejecting in this direction means magnetic field is perpendicular to that one. That's it. Correct now? Due to that one, electron will move in a circular motion like this. Along with the, it will pass us in a helical. It is making a helical path also. You read this one in a previous year. Correct now? Electromagnetic induction, not that one. Yes, somewhere you learn that one, right? No, no problem. Okay, when it is making the circular motion, it is making a radius or it is creating a radius value around 30 centimeter. Okay, and what are the things they given? Lambda कितना इंसिडेंट हो रहा है इसके ऊपर? The lambda value given 500 nanometer. करेक्ट ना? ओके कूल. नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट क्या दिया है? नथिंग. रेडियस. दो ही चीज दे दिया है. ओके कूल, विल सॉल्व दिस वन. Actually magnetic field also they said. Okay, now this charge with the emitted electron which experiences the magnetic field, correct now, and it is moving in a circular path, means we know one thing here, when it is moving in a circular path means इसके ऊपर centripetal force act होता है. This centripetal force is acting just because of the magnetic field force. These are equal. We will take like this only. Here centripetal force का value mv square by r is a, this value will be qv d sin theta r b. Correct, maximum. 1v से 1v कट गया. Actually we want to find out the magnetic field, no? Then q को left hand side भेज दो. Then it will become mv divided by qr is equal to magnetic field. मिल गया हमको almost. Value मिल गया. Equation का call equation number 1. Correct now. Next, coming to the next point. But here we don't know the value of m. What is the velocity also? And radius only the thing which we know. But सोच लो इधर वर्क फंक्शन दे दिया है, करेक्ट ना, एंड लैम्डा वैल्यू दे दिया है, then we can utilize some other equations also here. कैसे? Actually here m into v, it is nothing but momentum, करेक्ट ना, मोमेंटम. ये मोमेंटम के साथ काइनेटिक एनर्जी के रिलेशन होता है ना, समथिंग व्हाट you know, right? What will be the relation between momentum and as well as the kinetic energy? That is p square is equal to 2m kinetic energy, rs p is equal to root of 2m kinetic energy, right? Square नहीं है तो इधर root बनता है. Now take this value and substitute in this equation number 1. Hence magnetic field का equation क्या आता है? m into v is nothing but momentum. Momentum का place में क्या हो रहा है इधर? 2m kinetic energy divided by q into r. चार्ज तो पता है हमको, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, करेक्ट ना. कॉल इक्वेशन नंबर 2 and then now we need to find out that essential thing is that kinetic energy. We don't know that kinetic energy. We'll solve first kinetic energy, correct now, and then if we will put the value there means we'll get the answer. That is now kinetic energy value कैसे calculate करना है. Famous equation Einstein's one here, that is E is equal to phi plus kinetic energy, correct now. Take phi to left hand side, E को elaborate करो, h c upon lambda is minus phi is equal to kinetic energy, correct guys? Please bear with me here. This equation I will write in the next page. I can't solve in this single page only. Okay, this one also b value. देखो इधर I will write the b value here. Yes, b value will be equal to under root of 2m times the kinetic energy upon q into r. Correct now? And we got now h nu by lambda minus phi is equal to kinetic energy, because we need to substitute this kinetic energy in this equation. We know that h nu को we can one second. क्या कुछ कमी है ना? Yes, this is h nu. That's it. Okay, now h nu को elaborate करो. H nu means c by lambda minus phi is equal to kinetic energy. Here already I told you guys this value hc, it is nothing but the given value also. देखो इधर 20 into 10 to the power of minus, लिख दो इधर, लिखो इधर, हाँ 20 into 10 to the power of minus 26, right? Divided by lambda means 500 nanometer means 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, minus if 5 value also they given. देखो 5 value कितना दे दिया है? 1.25 electron. Substitute here 1.25 electron volt. 1.25 electron volt is equal to kinetic energy. Yes, everything is sorted out, but one thing is still it is not at sorted out because here the values what we substituted, no, it will give us the value in joule. Joule में होता है. क्या करना है again? We need to convert this one to electron volt. Electron volt को convert करने के लिए already I told you guys this 500 को ऐसा भी रख दो, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Okay, you will get here 20 into 10 to the power of minus 26. It's common for everything. Okay, do by head this one or do remember. Okay, it will reduce us your time. Okay, इधर 500 है into 10 to the power of minus 9. इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 कर लो. Right, what I'm saying? Minus now 1.25 electron volt is equal to kinetic energy. After calculating these terms, देखो सिंपल सा है, इस सभी के सभी स्टेप में कॉमन है. After calculating this term, you will get around 1240. I told you last itself. This is what 1240 divided by 500 minus 1.25 electron volt. This will be the value of kinetic energy. Correct now? Right? How I am calculating kinetic energy? Are you getting my point? After calculating this one completely, now it is in electron volt. Okay, the kinetic energy value will be obtained 1.18 electron volt. You will get 1.18 electron volt. Kinetic energy मिल गया हमको. Right? Now you substitute this value को E equation में substitute करो. Then B value will be substitute करके आंसर पता करना है आपको. Yes, good. Right? आंसर कितना होता है देखो इधर 2 into m means mass of that electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into kinetic energy कितना मिल गया 1.18 divided by charge 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb into r. Radius कितना था 30 centimeter they said. Correct ना? It is nothing but 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Clear है ना? Solve करो इसको. If you are going to solve this one means magnetic field you will get around 10 to the power of 7 में लिखना है. Already they asked. That's why it will become 122 into 10 to the power of minus 7 टेस्ला आता है. Solve करो एक बार. Okay, पूरा का पूरा बता दिया मैंने. Complete again इतने. And do remember this one guys. Okay, do remember this one. Find the value of lambda. Apart from that one, whatever the powers, and if you want to convert that into electron volt means it will become in the magnitude 1240. Clear? Clear? Okay, then we'll move to the next one. We'll move. अरे यार बोल दो ना. Okay, next question. The question is that next here, the surface of a metal is illuminated alternately with a photons of energy. E1 is equal to 4 electron volt and E2 is equal to 2.5 electron volt. क्या है इधर? एक surface है. Like this is a surface. Okay, actually it is illuminated means on this metal surface we are incidenting the energy. Means light को incident कर रहा है. First time when I am incidenting, no, that time I incident around 4 electron volt energy. Second time when I am incident this one, no, that time this is the second time, this is the first time. Second time I am incidenting here 2.5 electron volt. कम कर दिया मैंने. The ratio of maximum speed of a photoelectrons emitted in two cases is 2. Means due to incidenting these energies, the electron will gain the energy and start to move out from the metal electron. Correct now? At that time, the ratio of these two, kinetic energy of the particles, not kinetic energy exactly, kinetic energy means here, yeah, we to kinetic energy में है. Okay, the ratio will become 2. 2 को equal होता है. Then work function of the metal in electron volt will be, means आपको पता करना है work function क्या है. That's it. Correct? Huh? Okay, try to solve this question. I will give you again 2 minutes of time. 2 minutes of time. Time is running. Did you got the answer? One minute. Oh, shit. अरे यार इतना इजी है, क्या हो गया आपको? One point seven. Nearly came. Nearly. We'll do. We'll do. No worries. Yes, we'll solve this one. देखो इधर क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, वर्क फंक्शन को. वर्क फंक्शन ऑफ दिस मेटल कैलकुलेट. वर्क फंक्शन को कैलकुलेट करना है मींस हियर दे ऑलरेडी गिवन एनर्जीज. Correct now? And okay, then nothing they did given, but they given the velocities ratio. Both the velocity ratio will become in 2. Means देखो इधर E is equal to work function plus kinetic energy है. करेक्ट ना? काइनेटिक एनर्जी के अंदर ही है वेलोसिटी, इसके अंदर क्या है? वेलोसिटी है. रिमेम्बर कर लो. करेक्ट ना? नाउ टेक 5 टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, देन इट विल बिकम E minus 5 is equal to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means of mv square. Either energy even if you want to take means phi naught will be same. It's the same metal, single metal है. Correct ना? V1 है. Correct ना? Divided by, for the second time energy when you are going to incident, E2 value minus phi naught will be again of mv2 square. करेक्ट ना? हाफ ऑफ कैंसल, मास तो सेम ही होता है. देन हियर v1 by v2 है ना. देखो इधर क्या होता है, देन e1 माइनस phi naught divided by e2 minus phi naught is equal to v1 by v2. This velocity square we can write like this, v1 square by v2 square means v1 by v2 whole square. Correct now? This value v1 by v2 they given 2. Correct now? I'm writing in the next page. देखो इधर concentrate करो थोड़ा. e1 minus pi divided by e2 minus pi is equal to 2 square means v1 by v2 value they given 2. That's why 2 square कर दिया मैंने. करेक्ट ना? E1 वैल्यू दे गिवन कितना? इट इज 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट माइनस 5 डिवाइडेड बाय इधर E2 वैल्यू दे दिया था 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. देखो इधर 2.5 राइट, सॉरी 2.5 5 electron volt. 2.5 electron volt here. बहुत मच्छर है यार. Okay, 2.5 electron volt minus 5 is equal to, इधर 2 square means 4 होता है. Now we need to find out the value of 5. That's why multiply this one to right hand side. Then it will become 4 electron volt minus 5 is equal to 4 into 2.5 means it is 10 electron volt. And then minus 4 into 5 means 4 times the 5. Correct now? Now take 5 one side and 10 electron one side. Okay, क्या करना है? Yes, I will take this 4 electron volt right side and minus 4 pi to left hand side. Then it will become positive 4 pi minus 5 is equal to 10 electron volt minus 4 electron volt. 4 minus 1, 4 pi minus 1 pi means 3 pi is equal to 6 electron volt. Correct now? 5 value chahiye. That's why 3 ones are 3 twos are. Guys, why you did mistake? It is 2 electron volt. Simple sa. Correct now? Understood? Clear, right? Is it clear? Hi, is it clear? Naveen, where you went, man? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Hope it is not down. Next, और एक क्वेश्चन है, करते हैं, और भी 10 minutes time है ना. Okay, given figure shows that the data points in the photoelectric effect experiment for a certain metal, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು metal, the minimum energy of ejection of an electron, minimum amount of energy of ejection of electron from its surface is, we need to find out the minimum amount of energy required for the ejection of electron. Right now? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes of time. Try it quickly. Oh God. 5 value पता करना है. कितना amount of energy required to eject the electron by looking the graph. ग्राफ देखो एक बार. ग्राफ में स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल वर्सेस फ्रीक्वेंसी दे दिया है. पॉइंट ए बी सी, ये तीनों पॉइंट में स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल किधर जीरो हो रहा है, किधर है, किधर नहीं है, देखो एक बार. एजेक्शन हो रहा है मींस स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल तो जीरो होना चाहिए. करेक्ट. 1 minute is done. This is not a 2 minute of time question. Hey, क्या हुआ? Look at here. The graph says that stopping potential versus frequency. Correct? This is a point where the actually the photoelectric emission takes place. We call this one as a threshold frequency value. Correct now? Here the given stopping potential means the value will be zero at this point B point. But means we need to take this frequency to calculate the value of the work function. Correct now? Or else if you're going to take the value here means it will become zero. Correct now? That's why. वर्क फंक्शन के लिए फार्मूला क्या है? वर्क फंक्शन तो h न्यू है. Correct? Here nu means c by lambda, but no need to convert c by lambda because they given a value of nu also here, that is 5.5. Correct now? That's it. phi is equal to h value 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into new value will be 5.5, but along with that you need to take the frequency here along the x-axis कितना है into 10 to the power of 14 hertz divided by it will be, I told that it will be in joule. You need to convert this one to electron volt. Electron volt to convert करने के लिए क्या करना है 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 को divide करना है. If you're going to divide this one, guys, you will get the work function value will be around 2.27 electron volt. Okay. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, नोट कर लो, सिंपल वन. Okay, next question. Yeah, these are question. Okay, try to get the answer in home. This is a homework question I'm going to assign you. This is the homework question, right? Threshold frequency of a metallic surface corresponds to energy is 6.2 electron volt. Threshold frequency value you need to find out. And no, wait karo. And the stopping potential for the radiation of incident on the value is stopping potential also they given. The incident radiation lies in means, guys, actually देखो, I will give the hint to solve this one. This is a metal surface. Okay, metal surface के ऊपर क्या डाल रहे हैं आप actually? One second. Threshold frequency for metal surface. Okay, इसका threshold frequency दे दिया है. Threshold frequency nothing but here energy, threshold energy, it is nothing but here 6.2 electron volt, means work function दे दिया है, correct ना. And stopping potential for this metal surface they given 5 volt. Okay, 5 volt stopping potential means by using these two things you need to find out what is the incident radiation. Incident radiation कौन सा है you need to find out, means what is the wavelength of that light or else what is the frequency of that light, in which region it is available. Okay, try it कर लो, कोई problem नहीं. And from Monday onwards, guys, Monday onwards we are going to start a chapter atoms. Okay, next chapter is ours atom. Okay guys, thank you so much for being here. We'll meet you in a next class. Okay, until then, take care. Bye bye.